Hello everyone. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Hold on, let me look decent. Let me at least put my head bonnet on. Does that look worse? Anyway, thanks so much for tuning back in, you guys. I know I have been gone for a while. I had a lot going on, moving and everything like that, so I am back with some more content. So I'm just coming to show you guys this wig today. Of course, y'all know that's what I do. This unit is from UNice and I'm going to apply her. Let me just do an unboxing for what's in the package when you get it. So you get the wig and of course this goodie bag right here. I'm just gonna jump right into it. Comes with clips and a pair of eyelashes and a pack of caps and also a pretty scarf. So we're just gonna jump right into this unit. This is a beautiful colored unit, y'all. I've never reviewed a unit in this color, and I'm sorry if you hear my daughter, but this is a beautiful wig, you guys. So I already pressed her. I already smoothed her out with the hot comb, and I kind of prepped her. I put some moisturizer on the hair, kind of loosened the curls, brushed the curls out. As you can see, it's a beautiful auburn color, y'all. This color is still in style, but I have never reviewed a auburn wig like this. So a few videos back, I reviewed an auburn wig, but it was curly. That was my first time reviewing one like that, but this one is like straight and it's like a body wave. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my God. So this is right out the pack, but of course I said I put some moisturizer on it, some like cream moisturizer. And look at that lace, y'all. Let me see if it, all right, so here is the lace, and y'all, look at this hairline. Like, I haven't bleached it or anything. Hairline is amazing. Now, I will say I added a little bit of color. Like, I like dark roots. I don't really like when the roots are super light. So I added like a little bit of like mascara just to make the roots a little bit darker. So that's the only thing I have done so far. But this lace is like beautiful, and this hairline is beautiful. Okay, UNice, I see you, I see you. So I am going to go ahead and apply her in a very simple way, just using the Eben spray. Of course, y'all know this is my favorite spray. And let's go ahead and install this beautiful unit, y'all. Let's see how this goes. So here is another view of the beautiful wig. Let me move her out of the way because she looked like a Dalmatian with these spots on it from me dyeing a wig. So this is the unit. Look at her. Look at her. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this lace is amazing. So I didn't even go over the specs. So it does have adjustable straps. It does have 3 combs, and this is a 13 by, I will leave all the specs down below, but this is like a 13 by 4, I think. But it's really, really nice. And the lace is, let me see if it can focus. Went ahead and put some oh my gosh, Perfect Line Swiss knot concealer in the middle just to make it a little bit more realistic, but that's all I did, and the unit looks really, really good. all right, I am done, you guys, and this unit is looking very, very good. I am actually super surprised. So my husband said he loves the color on me. He said it compliments me, so I am excited about that. Now I don't know if I would wear this color in person, and I kind of jacked up the curls in the front, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I would wear this in person or not, but the color is hot. They did a great job. Now I would rate this unit from 1 to 10. I would rate it definitely a 9.5. Like, I am getting a bit of shedding. I am getting shedding. I don't know if this is the right brush to use, but I didn't pluck the unit or anything, so I'm getting a bit of shedding, but that's the only thing, because this color is beautiful. The knots are tiny and this hair is super soft, so I'm really satisfied. I definitely recommend this unit. If you guys want to check it out, the link will be in the description box below. And y'all, I give this thing a 9.5, like a good solid 9.5. This hair is so soft, like so soft. The only thing is, like I said, I'm getting a bit of shedding even though I didn't pluck it, but this unit is bomb. Excuse the way I curled it, but definitely follow me on my Instagram page, cutie_pie_hair. I hope you guys like this review, and thank you UNice for reaching out to me to have me review this unit. Y'all, I would not lie to y'all, this unit is bomb. This unit is fire. Yeah, definitely check it out. Like I said, all the info will be below, and thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Y'all stay tuned for more wig reviews. All right, bye you guys.